Hello everyone, welcome back to the Marketing Automation Software channel. Today, I will guide you on how to automatically post on your personal Facebook page. If you have multiple Facebook accounts, manually posting can take a lot of time. So today, I will introduce you to this MKT software. First, click on the Viral Marketing section, then select Post Profile. Next, set up the posting configuration and choose the content you want to post. You can also add a comment after the post is successfully published. Finally, select the account and start the process. Enjoy the video, and see you in the next one.